Okay, so today we're going to be working on the septic tank. What we're going to be doing is digging a big giant hole in the ground and putting in the septic tank. Okay, so I'll show you that right here. Okay, go Mets tonight, first game. Anyway, so right here is where we're going to be digging a giant hole, and I'm going to take you step by step through the entire process of building the septic tank in Costa Rica. I mean, I'm sure it's different in all countries, but this is basically the way to do it here. And yeah, and we're also going to put up the foundation for the 40-foot containers that are coming next week. And so I'll go over the foundation as well. Okay, more to come. Okay, so that hole was really fast. It was so fast I wasn't even here to see it. So yeah, so basically the backhoe just dug a pretty deep hole. We're squaring it out right now. And yeah, step one or step two. Alrighty. Okay, so tying the chains to the hole. You can zoom in there. Very delicate process actually, because those things do break. And into the hole we go. Okay, so these are the rocks we had to drop into the hole. So all of the stuff that is produced in a bathroom goes through this system. Now there's different things you could do with the septic tank. You could put this deeper, much deeper, like way much deeper if you wanted. And also this right here is only 3 meters of rocks. Okay, you could actually go as far as 6. So this is recommended for a basic office or a single unit. But if you have a large family, you're probably going to want to create more. All right. Okay, so now we're measuring and cutting the orange tube, which will go into that hole. And then we're going to cover it with this plastic right there. We're going to cover the rocks with the plastic, as you'll see coming up, so the dirt that we put on top doesn't kind of clog the rocks too much, and the rocks can function as a filtration system. Okay, so you can see our orange tube is covered with these rocks now. We went approximately 3 meters, tied it into there. Now we're going to cover it with plastic. And then the only thing we're missing is a tube that goes into there that'll eventually go into the container where the bathroom is. And the things that you need for that are the Kodo, which is like the elbow, the T, which is the T tube, and then the tube, which is a plastic tube, 4 inches. It's a 4-inch tube basically for a tank, a septic tank. So that's really it. Those are all the ingredients. All right.